Transform your windows in one afternoon without sewing. With Traceable Designer, you won't believe how easy it is to make beautiful custom swag valances that look professionally designed. Make pleated, gathered, or combination styles to fit any window size, shape, or design style. This easy-to-use valance kit includes reusable no-sew design forms used to make unlimited window valances, making it the perfect home decorating tool. Select fabric to match your decor, then trace the no-sew valance design form. Use the included fusible seam tape to attach contrast lining, then simply reverse the fabric section to make easy fusible pleats. Create no-sew rod hanging pockets and hang using a standard metal curtain rod. These easy-to-make interchangeable no-sew panels offer endless design options. Follow the simple steps outlined in our video tutorials to make beautiful no-sew valances for every window in your home. When no-sew custom decorating is this easy, why settle for less? Make your mark with Traceable Designer.